Hey everybody, my name is Prithvi. Welcome to Crysendo Reviews. Today we are reviewing something special. Most products out there are for something new, We are selling products over here that can help you preserve something that you already own. Today we are reviewing, this is a cable protector. Let's just check this thing out in action. Now let's do the first unboxing. Alright, so the first thing we see over here, there are a lot of different colors over here. This is blue, black, green and pink, I suppose. I'm a bit colorblind. So what happens over here is that this thing is supposed to protect your cables, especially if you have a loose end. And a lot of people like me, I don't keep my chargers well packed, or there is some rough use over there, and the cables at the edge can start to get a bit torn, and that can really give you electric shock sometimes, or it could make your charger stop working. This is supposed to extend the life of your cable. And how would you insert this? How would you install this? Well, I'm gonna show you. That's an installed cable protectors. A cool part about this is that if you're traveling somewhere and you guys have similar chargers, this can really help you distinguish your charger out there. And if you want to buy this cable protector, check the link in bio. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with another product soon. Thank you for watching.